Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align shapes vertically in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to align shapes vertically. Firstly, we insert some shapes in this document. Go to the Insert menu, then click Shape drop-down menu. Then insert some shapes. Now we can see here we insert some shapes. Then we press Shift on your keyboard to select multiple shapes. Now we can see here we select multiple shapes. Then we go to the Insert menu, Format menu and click Align option. Then align top or align middle or align bottom or align center, right, left. Now we can see here we align shapes vertically very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.